Y'all know this right here, yo. We got a good 340 B58 shit, man. Red guts. I'm putting GXP wheels on my daily. Who y'all know doing this? Nobody. Just me. These
she said she wanna ride. I told her I'ma pull up on the block. You tryna slide. I told her
oh, yo, I'm about to crash out so bad, bro. These are all the balls. 8, yo.
She be tripping out and she rockin' ass. Show me how you work it, baby, trip out on this. Show me how you work it, baby, trip out on it. Show me how you work it, on it.
Alright, y'all, so the FedEx lady just tried to deliver my coilovers, but they needed a signature, so she peeled off before. First off, the lady didn't even knock on the door. She didn't knock, ring my doorbell, none of that. So, I don't know. I'm going around the neighborhood now. I'm trying to hunt her down. Not hunt her down, but trying to find this lady, bro. I want my coilovers, because if not, I'm going to have to wait until tomorrow, and I'm going to have to be home from freaking 10 to 3, bro. And I'm not trying to be at the house waiting for my freaking package all day long. Like, literally, that's what happened today, bro. The package said the latest it could come was from 10 to 2:30, and the lady got there at 2:26. Like, I'm not trying to wait all day again, bro. So I'm going around my neighborhood, trying my best to find this freaking FedEx truck. I got the sticker right here, so we gonna find it, bro. We gonna find it. I'm gonna pick this camera up if I find this FedEx truck. If not, if the next clip is something completely unrelated, then just know that I had to wait and I messed up, but we'll see. I kid you not, I just put the camera down, bro, and I turned, yo, I kid you not, I just put the camera down and I turned and I see the FedEx lady, yo, she's right here. Nah, we're catching her, bro. This is feed. Oh my gosh. Damn, this lady is flying, yo, what the shit? Stay back here, man. Let's see if I can get her attention. Yo. Oh, yo, I'm about to crash out so bad, bro. No, I'm down there. I'm around the corner. I was about to talk so much shit, but we just secured the package. Let's freaking go. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get to the crib. All right, as y'all just saw, we finally hawked down the UPS driver, FedEx driver, whatever may have you. And we got our package, man. Right here, right here, right here. We finally gonna be lowered, man. I ended up getting Megan Racing coilovers. And for strut mounts, I went with Super Pro. Lifetime warranty. I think these are the Polylast, if I'm not mistaken. I think these are the, hold on. Did I get the Polylast? Yeah, I'm like pretty sure it's something last. I don't know, but we got the strut mounts, we got the coilovers. Let's go ahead and get these unboxed so we can see what we get into, man. All right, so we going 1, 2, 2, 3, across, under here, hey, Hey, hey. What they bless us with? Coilover depot. We got some stickers. We got a keychain. That's fire. All right, let's get in here now. Okay. Blessed us with some more stuff. We got some stickers. Some other stuff. I don't know. Blessed us with some more stuff though. No complaining, no complaining. Adjustable knob is unable to stop when adjusting and dampening. Okay. All of that great stuff. Where they at? Is there? Nah, me. Let me see these bad boys. My man, passing peanuts in here. Y'all. Let me see these guys. Whoo! Oh, hold on, bro. I just took the whole strut boot and everything apart. Dang. I'm about to kill him before I even put him on the car. And they got some weight to him. Y'all see my muscles flexing a little bit? I'm on some, yeah, I'm being a dickhead right now. Anyways, y'all can see coilover. Let's put this one back. I think that's a front, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's definitely a front, right? Hope I don't sound crazy. What if that's not a front? I'm gonna sound like an idiot. Oh, it comes with an adjustable wrench and everything too. Nah, that's fire. All right, let me get this all fully unboxed and I'm gonna pick the camera back up. We just got the G8 wash, man. I had some free time on my hands, so I went ahead and clayed it down and did the iron decontamination and everything. Get y'all one good look, man, because this is the last time y'all gonna see this type of ride height. We going to the ground, man. We are going to the ground. I still need to get my fenders rolled. And what else? I low-key want wider tires, but that's not like imminent. I definitely need to get my fenders rolled though. I don't think you could roll the front much, but you definitely could roll the back. So we need to get that rolled before we lower them, but we're gonna start with the fronts, try and get that dialed in, and then we'll start on the back. So let's get the Tesla out and then get the G8 pulled into the garage next to the F. Ultimate douchebag. I like the bucket hat look, man. It's too hot, bro. I ain't worried about looking cool, bro. It's so hot.
Oh, I got you.
Booga booga booga, chop 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 chop. Gosh, look at this lineup, yo. We gap your favorite duo, man. Don't at me. It's such a tough lineup. I'm blessed, bro. Are we taking this old strut apart? Yo, look at my inside. Look at the inside of my bushing, bro. These are all the balls. I mean, my bearing, not bushing. These are all the balls. Hey, yo.
What did he?
Yeah, it's really something real good. But we got new bushings. I'm super proud, so look at this, yo. It's supposed to come back up. It's supposed to be spig loaded. Nah, never mind. Let me not do this on camera. Y'all get the idea, bro.
I told him I wanted to last. I'm worried about all that new shit. You too stuck up on the past. I'm trying to just get my bag shit out. You bitches don't come in last. Ain't worried about what your friends say, cause all of them hoes is trash. Fall in love with a hoe I met first day. I'm just moving too fast.
Alright guys, we getting these final tuning done and fine tuning done. Ignore these Brembos, I promise. Still need to hook the sway link up on this side. I forgot to put that back. And you got Pops working on the coilover over here. Yeah, man. Y'all see my cheap intake setup, bro? Intake crack. New intakes coming too, man. Promise. I promise. But Anyways, like I was saying, bro. Progress, man.
Yo, this is the student budget built for a student.
There's nothing budget built about this. My wallet's completely blown out of shape. Anyways,
well, the good thing is that you did it yourself. You know, I gotta give you that, man. I ain't giving you no money.
And yeah, guys, that's that, man. I'm tired. So I'll spin back on y'all once the car's on the ground. All right, y'all, it's the next day now, man. We just finished up the fronts. Follow me. Come on, here. As you can see, the front is low. We still gotta adjust them, so it's gonna be less gap right here. But we slam now. So what we need to do, we getting this spun around, turning this back around so we can get to work on the back.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, don't fall. We turning this around so we can start working on the back, get this done, go get an alignment, get this dialed in, and we're gonna be on the road, y'all boys. So stay tuned. About to get a little cold start because it's been a night. Y'all gonna hear it. We're gonna get this spin around and move it on. Let's go. No longer monster truck boys. We about to fix everything. Let's see how low my header is now. Yep, we're screwed over every bump, y'all. It's okay though. Even on that thing. Even have to adjust these. I have to lower this. Here's what it is for now. All right, it's the next day now. I'm gonna let y'all take a little look right here. Y'all notice that? We got my boy Reaper at the crib. He pulled up, man. This nigga pulled up on me. We finna detail the whip ski, get it cleaned out. Dutty. Nah, but we finna get this cleaned out inside and up. Same thing with the G8. Finna get that washed. Yo, these coilovers look so good, bro. Let me see if it even come across well on camera. It's not slammed. It's not maxed out to the ground, but that's 100% a big difference, bro. Now all I need is side skirts. I gotta source some side skirts and some rear extensions and a lip. And I'm in there like swimwear, nigga. But nah, I need to clean out the inside of this. It's dirty in here too. Something my girl left. Just miscellaneous stuff, detailing products, Vaseline. Don't at me, no diddy. But yeah, man, we finna get these two cleaned up, and I don't know, maybe take some short form content, some real shorts. I don't even know yet, man, but I don't care about nothing else because my car is lowered, dog. Just need to work on that fitment some more, get some spacers or something.
Fish boy.
Yeah, alright, nigga.
This the thing?
Yeah, I'm about to get you right. All right, boys, let's get these cleaned up, man. We gonna get back to y'all niggas, man.
Tell them what you just said. You about to run?
Said I'm gonna get you right. Yeah, nigga, and what? It's like, nah. All right, we gonna get back to y'all boys, man. You might steal my pops with. Y'all wanna steal this? I got it unlocked right now so I could take some videos of this too. One of these days. We need to line these two up, bro. One of these days, man. I'm putting GXP wheels on my daily. Who y'all know doing this? Nobody, just me. Okay then. This aura if I put GXP wheels on it. Y'all want a montage of this? Yeah, I'm a dickhead. We gotta get these mats cleaned up right here. Start the pressure washer up. Forehead crazy. Golly. Yo, it's hot as hell. Alright, let's get these cleaned up, man. We got too many whips outside, yo. M340.
Slow down.
Y'all know this right here, yo. We got a good 340 B58 shit, man. Red guts. I just detailed this for my mans. F30 Reaper. Y'all better go subscribe, man. Get with us or get out. And then you know what this is right here. Y'all know what this is, man. Great G8. That's why I'm about to make my page name. Great G8. I'm not Steph no more. What happened? Oh, what up? Oh, what up?
Huh?
You don't know what that is, nigga.
You don't know what that means?
Nah.
You lying.
Golly.
That's all it is, man. A leap of faith.
Yeah.
Nothing. You don't gotta do nothing at all.
Slow down. Yeah. Like, my bro get too hot, pop him a perk and he get in his bag. He don't even give a fuck about no eyes, he got him too.